Well, everybody's excited to go get their trailers. You know, we've got them parked at our buddy's place. We got them at the storage facility. It's just going to be a really quick video here, and I'm going to show you how to do a really quick hookup and a few little checks that you really need to do before grabbing that RV and hitting the road. There's a few things that we got to make sure that we do here. Of course, we've left the fridge and freezer open for the winter. Make sure that's closed. Double check all our vents, our moisture bags. We're going to clean up those. That's going to be pretty much it in here. So there's a couple reasons you want to put your batteries in. For one, you want that weight over the tongue when you're driving back home. You know, your tanks are empty and you want to get that tongue weight up. But more importantly, you want to make sure that you got a brake control if for some reason the trailer comes detached, right? That's why you need to make sure you put your batteries in. If you're like me, you've taken them out for the winter time, you know, you just need to throw them back in. Make sure they're charged up before you put them in. Okay, so we got our connections all hooked up here. We're going to throw the chains on. One of the things I just want to check my marker lights. I got the lights on here. I'll make sure we got tail lights. All of our marker lights are on the side. And check the front. Okay, so that's good to go. We're going to cross our chains here. Okay, so one of the last things that we got to do here is a little bit of a tug test. Before we leave the driveway, we want to make sure that our brakes are engaging. Everything is good there. So we're going to hit the road here. I'm going to wait for about 15-20 kilometers of travel. We're going up and down mountainous region here. So what I like to do is pull over at some point here, and I want to put my hands on all of my wheel hubs. I want to make sure that I'm not burning up, that everything is actually good there. Okay. I'm hoping that you're getting something of value here. If you have, click that thumbs up, consider subscribing, because next week we're going to be doing a full inspection on this rig here. I'm going to go over from top to bottom everything I check before we get going into the season. And I guarantee there's one thing that you have never checked before on your rig, and it almost burned mine down last year. So tune in next week and you're going to see exactly what that was. Until the next Fix It, I'll see you there.